Welcome to a day of bird watching at Muddy Pool here at my conservation project, Huai Khayeng Nature Park in Kanchanaburi province. Actually, not at all a full day, just a few hours from 10:30 in the morning till 4 p.m. Plenty of lesser necklaced laughing thrush always around this area. As you can see, we put some dried mealworms on this log. White-rumped shama are always keen to help themselves. Puff-throated babblers are often here too. At the moment, we only seem to have a single pair of white-crested laughing thrush. I hope they raise a brood this year. This is the 28th of March 2026, and the temperature is in the mid to high 30s. So many birds are coming to our pools to drink and bathe at this time. Pinstripe tit babbler, being bullied by its puff-throated relative. Who is in turn bullied by the king of bullies. Large numbers of spotted doves are always around the pool. I counted 25 today at one time, including many juvenile birds. We also put out bananas, which are appreciated by many of the birds. Here a striped-throated bulbul tucking in. Size matters, though the dove has no interest in the mealworms. Another of the bulbul species we get here, sooty-headed bulbul. And another, the black-crested bulbul. Typically, a pair of black-naped monarchs visit the pool several times during the day to dive-bomb the water. This is the male. The pinstriped titbabblers are back in force this time. They typically come in a small group, but they seldom stay long. A little help with this one would be appreciated, please. A female hill blue flycatcher, perhaps? And a very satisfying row of 3 bulbul species. This is the sooty-headed bulbul that we have here in large numbers. Now the third of our laughing thrush species, the greater necklaced. Here enjoying some peanuts that I've put out for the woodpeckers. Incidentally, this hide is open for visitors, as is the nearby Rocky Pool hide. I had 4 bird watchers here a few weeks ago, and sadly it was very quiet at that time, but things have picked up considerably now. A greater racket-tailed drongo without its rackets. Presumably this is outside the breeding season. At the moment, we don't have any rarities, so I have concentrated on creating the conditions for attractive and natural-looking photography and filming of the species that we do have. Here's a splash of colour, a white-throated kingfisher. And the astonishing eye and plumage of the racket-tailed tree pie. The green-billed malkoa is a stunning bird. I certainly hope we attract some of the other malkoa species here in the future. Always plenty of hair-crested drongos at the park. Every pool needs a sloping branch. And here's a little surprise, a yellow-bellied warbler passing through. Oh, and a female ruby-cheeked sunbird, I believe. Well, I know from the trail camera positioned here that we have ochraceous bulbuls coming every day to the pool, as well as frequent visits from crested goshawk and even a crested serpent eagle, but not so far today. But a common tailor bird is a new visitor for us at any of the pools. Well, I plan to sit at another pool from 4:30 onwards to try to catch some film of a monitor lizard hunting, so I will have to pack up now. But I'll be back.